The risk-to-reward ratio. The risk-to-reward ratio concept is what will make you a winner in the long run. Before you enter any trade, you have to know how much money you will win if the market goes in your favor, and how much money you will lose if the market goes against you. Don't never enter a trade in which the profit is less than the amount of money you risked. If you will risk $100, for example, your profit target should be at least $200. This is a risk-to-reward ratio of 1.2. Let's suppose that you took 10 trades with 1.2 risks-to-reward ratio. In every trade, you risk $100. You won 5 trades, and you lost 5 trades. So you will lose $500, but you will win $1,000. So the benefits is $500. This is the power of the risk-to-reward ratio. You shouldn't think that you have to win all your trades to become a successful trader. If you can take the advantage of the risk-to-reward ratio, you will always be profitable.